Battery Pete here with you once again with checking your battery to see if it's time to be replaced or if you still have a little bit of life left in that battery. Today we're checking the battery in a 68 Corvette convertible, 327, 3-speed automatic. I'm using just an old school load tester. I got one that's a little bit larger than most. You know, the smaller ones, the one-handed jobs, you can just have a switch there you can flip and it'll put about a 100 amp load on it by flipping the switch. This thing is set up to where I can, put a variable load. Because a lot of the batteries that we deal with, the big 4Ds and the 8Ds in the marine application, you need to be able to hit it with a couple hundred amps to see if it's in good shape or not, because that's what it's designed for. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and we're going to hook up the positive terminal to the positive side of the battery and the negative terminal to the negative side of the battery. All right, and this should give us about 12.4, 12.6 volts. All right, and you can look here, we're actually a little bit over 12, so that's good. That's not a bad sign. But what's going to happen here is I'm going to hit it with about 100 amps, and that thing should be able to maintain at least 10.5 volts for 10 or 15 seconds without a problem. That'll let us know that the battery is still in good health and in good shape. And if we keep it full of water, check it periodically about every 2 or 3 months, it should last for 2.5 to 3 years down here in South Florida. All right, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and we're going to hit it with 100 amps. I'll even go a little bit more just to see. There's 120 amps, and it's actually holding pretty good right there in the 10.5, 11 volt range. As you can see here, we're holding it for 10 seconds now, and it's still staying strong. So this battery is in really, really good shape. We're actually running a traditional Group 34 Power Pro battery in here. All of our Power Pro products are actually manufactured in the United States compared to a lot of the other battery manufacturers and companies out there selling them. They're made in Mexico, made in offshore Korea, stuff of that nature. But all of our Power Pro batteries are made in the USA. I like American muscle cars. I love living in America, so I definitely like supporting American industry and commerce. All right, well, that's it for today, guys. This battery is good to go for the foreseeable future. Stay with us and come back to Battery Pete's blog at batterypete.com to learn more about your battery systems in your vehicles or the toys that we all tend to accumulate over the course of time. And remember, next time you need a battery, something to charge that battery, think batterypete.com. Get more power for less.